It's 2025, and somehow, the debate is still alive. Windows or macOS, which one actually gives you more power, more value, and more freedom? Today, we're diving deep into everything that matters: design, performance, gaming, ecosystem, and price. No fanboy bias, no fluff, just real talk. So, let's find out which one truly wins in 2025. When you first open your laptop every day, the first thing you experience is the design and user interface. macOS feels elegant, minimal, and calm. It's like walking into a clean, quiet office made for focus and creativity. Everything feels intentional. Meanwhile, Windows feels like a workshop. You can customize, rearrange, and tweak almost everything. It's about control and personality. But that freedom sometimes comes with a cost: occasional clutter, inconsistent visuals, and updates that don't always go smoothly. So, if you love simplicity and focus, macOS nails it. But if you want freedom to control every detail, Windows is your playground. When it comes to performance, Apple's M-series chips have completely changed the game. The M3 MacBooks are incredibly fast, efficient, and whisper quiet. They're perfect for editing, coding, or running heavy creative workloads without breaking a sweat. On the other hand, Windows gives you choice: Intel, AMD, or even building your own custom rig. You can scale your performance based on your budget and needs. macOS wins on optimization and efficiency. Windows wins on flexibility and power options. So it's not really about which is faster, it's about what you need your system to do. Now let's talk about software. macOS shines in the creative world. Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Sketch, everything runs buttery smooth and looks beautiful. But when it comes to versatility, Windows is the king of compatibility. You can run just about anything, from Excel to 3D modeling tools to niche programs most people have never heard of. macOS is like a premium studio built for artists. Windows is a universal workshop built for everyone. And now, gaming, this one's not even close. If gaming matters to you, Windows wins hands down. macOS has tried to catch up with Game Mode and Metal 3, but the library and support still can't compete. Almost every major game is optimized for Windows, and even though Apple's silicon chips are powerful, developers haven't fully jumped on board yet. So if gaming is even a small part of your life, Windows is the clear winner. When we talk about the ecosystem, though, Apple completely dominates. The way your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Mac communicate feels like magic. You copy something on your phone, it instantly pastes on your Mac. You take a photo, it's there without you doing a thing. It's smooth, it's fast, and it just works. Windows is improving, especially with Android integration through PhoneLink and Microsoft 365 cloud syncing, but it's not quite at Apple's level of polish. The Apple ecosystem is still unmatched in 2025. It's one of the biggest reasons people stay loyal to Macs. Next up, price. Windows gives you total flexibility. You can buy a $400 laptop for basic work or a $3,000 gaming beast with all the specs you want. macOS? Not so flexible. Macs are expensive, but you're paying for build quality, battery life, and long-term reliability. A Mac might last you 6 or 7 years without slowing down. A Windows laptop may need a few upgrades or replacements along the way, but it'll cost you less upfront and let you repair or customize as you go. So, after all that, which one actually wins? The truth is, both have evolved massively. macOS feels premium, stable, and refined, perfect for creators, designers, and anyone who values simplicity. Windows feels open, powerful, and customizable, ideal for gamers, engineers, and anyone who wants full control. If you're a creative professional, macOS just fits. If you're a developer, gamer, or someone who loves tinkering, Windows will always feel more like home. And if you just browse, work, and stream, both will serve you perfectly well. So maybe the real answer isn't about which one is better, but which one is better for you. So, what are you using right now, Windows or macOS? And why? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's finally see who wins this war once and for all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is Tech Flow, where tech finally makes sense.